G'day legends, welcome back to Spanking on the Trail. We're here today to gear test, see if this suspension by Gerber can handle the Australian Outback. Today we're having a crack at the Gerber suspension multi-tool. It's tough, it's practical, and it's packed with gadgets. But is it right for your backpack? Let's find out. Rightio, here it is. The Gerber suspension, built like a little toolbox in your pocket. It's got 12 tools jammed in here: pliers, screwdriver, a knife, scissors, and a saw. The whole shebang. But before we dive in, let's talk about size. It's not the smallest tool going around, but it's light enough to chuck into your bag or your belt. That's a solid start. First off, the pliers are the main game here. They're spring loaded, sturdy, bloody handy if you're out bush and you need to tweak a bit of gear, fixing a busted tent pole or messing around with some wire. These will do the job, no dramas. Now, for the tools. The blade, it's decent. It's not big or sharp as a proper knife, but it'll do small jobs like cutting rope, slicing some cheese for your crackers. I wouldn't rely on it as your main blade, but it's good as a backup. It has a couple of flathead screwdrivers, a Phillips head, some scissors. These things can be bloody useful. Whether you're fixing gear, tinkering with your stove, these tools are always good to have on hand. No bells and whistles, just gets the job done. Now the saw. It's pretty small stuff. Don't expect it to chew through big branches. It's good for the little jobs and tidying up around the campsite. The scissors, they're always a winner. Snipping up fabric, cutting fishing line. They're small, they're sharp, they'll get the job done. So, where does a suspension fit in? It's a good all-rounder, but it's best if you're doing jobs that need pliers. If you're hiking and camping light, you probably won't use half the tools on this thing. But I like to be prepared for anything. It's a solid choice. There you go, mates. The Gerber suspension multi-tool. Tough, versatile, ready for a bit of everything. Not the lightest, not the fanciest, but it's reliable and it won't let you down when it counts. What do you reckon? Is this in your kit? Let me know in the comments. Give the vids a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you next time out bush. Cheers. Spanky out.